I am adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. After the oil heats up, I am adding a handful of vermicelli to it. I will saute it until it becomes light brown. After it changes its color in a few minutes, I am adding a cup of rice to the pan. I will saute the rice for 2 to 3 minutes as well. Then I will be pouring 2 cups of water to it. I am adding some salt, mixing it briefly and closing its lid off to leave it to cook. It will cook on low heat until it absorbs the water. I will only stir it briefly for 2 to 3 times when it's cooking and make sure I close the lid again. Our rice has cooked on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes until it absorbed the water. Now, I am covering it with a paper towel and closing the lid off again. This will allow the rice to steep nicely. After that, the rice will be ready to serve. Enjoy!